How to find Gmail privacy settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find Gmail privacy settings on Android phone. First then just open your Gmail and then click here on your profile and then click Google account and here you will find privacy. Just scroll until you find the data and privacy, and as you see here you can manage Gmail privacy settings. It's easy, just manage it and then go back, it will be saved. And that's how to find Gmail privacy settings on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.